So if you're new to correlation, Wikipedia has a great visual here of different correlations. And if you just look at the top row, so these are scatter plots, right? And so the perfect one, and note in the far, the perfect negative one, or if your scatter plots basically fall in perfectly straight lines, it means there's a perfect correlation and you can clearly predict one from the other. Now, anything around 0.8, you can see is a very strong correlation. So this is strong, right? And so it's a positive correlation, meaning as the x values go up, the y values go up. Similarly, the negative 0.8 is sort of like the same strength in the relationship. It's just a negative relationship. So as the x variable goes up, the y variable goes down. Okay, so that's interesting. 0 in the middle would be no correlation whatsoever, totally random. And then, 0.4 is, this is kind of significant. It's like, you call this maybe a moderate positive linear relationship. Like there's a relationship there, right? As x is going up, y is going up, but it's not as strong as the 0.8. And so this is just a nice visual to help give you a sense of the numbers of correlations. Kind of cool too at the bottom, like here are some creative zeros, right? It's not, the images aren't random, but there's no way to tell, I guess, where points might be based on the x value. At least that's the idea with the correlation of 0. And you can see like the correlations of 1s. It doesn't have to be like at some certain angle. It's just kind of a straight line. So that's a nice visual straight from Wikipedia of correlations. I think in the world of machine learning, like, look, sometimes the correlations are not that high. Okay, the higher the better, but a lot of the more challenging and interesting problems are because you can't actually get really high correlations. And so it's totally fine and normal to be working with correlations that are less than 0.4, okay? It means there's still a relationship there. You just have to kind of work more with it to, I guess, get more out of it.